So I was having a look at our money market funds now in Kenya, giving us almost 19%, guys. Let me just check. Almost 19%, okay, 18 point something percent. And I'm wondering, how long will this stay, guys? How long will this stay? Because the thing with money market funds is, and this is something I've spoken about in all my videos concerning money market funds, is that the interest is based on the fluctuations in the environment, right? So they can go up and down any day. So it's not like a fixed interest. But like, this is so amazing. Like, this is so good. Like, how long do you expect this to stay at the place where it is right now? What do you think in the comment section? Do you think this is going to stay for long? Are we going to see a downturn? No one can ever, even economists like us, can never predict what's going to happen, right? So what do you think? What do you think is going to happen? And most people are asking this question. Anyways, I'm going to talk about the returns, the amazing returns we're getting right now, the top money market funds in quarter 4, this Q4. These are the top money market funds in Q4, and that is October, November, December of 2024. And I believe this is going to go into December as well, because I'm doing this in November. So let's see, what are the top money market funds? What are the returns we are getting at the moment? I've spoken about so many things, guys, the advantages of money market funds, why you should have an account right now, USD money market funds, local money market funds. I've spoken about the risks of money market funds. I've spoken about, what you need to know before you actually open a money market fund account. So please, if you watching this video, make sure you watch everything and you know what's happening around you and not just focusing on the returns. The problem of focusing on returns is you end up ignoring certain things that you should take into account when you're opening a money market fund account. Now, let's get going. Top money market funds, I have a list here. Top money market funds, quarter 4 or Q4 of 2024, October, November, December, I believe so. And we're going to discuss if we think that the 18% of the crazy returns we're seeing are going to persist for this Q4 and what we foresee going forward, right? One of the top money market funds is one that most people will be running away from and saying, hey Ken, this company has lots of issues and drama and all these things. By the way, I've done a video on the drama that this company is facing, so watch my video on Cytonn. You will get to know what's happening and not fear so much for your money. But funny enough, it's been one of the most consistent money market funds. It's been one of the best paying money market funds, and I've made money off it, and I'm happy about that. I have no regrets so far. I have no regrets, and by the way, I have no partnership with them, just to mention. We're gonna go to money market funds giving us 16% and above. Cool. I just changed my mind. I change my mind all the time. No, 15% and above. 15% and above. That's good return, right? 15 to 18. So we're gonna do 15% and above, guys. I just changed my mind, as I always do. Cool. Let's see. Apollo Money Market Fund at number 15 on the list. Number 15 on the list, Apollo Money Market Fund, which I know quite well. Apollo Money Market Fund, it's been there for a while, giving us 15% in this Q4. That's a good return. Not perfect, not amazing, but a good return. You can still do Apollo, no issues at all. Then we have Absa Money Market Fund giving us 15.03%. Absa Money Market Fund is a stable one, has very good history. It's linked to a very good company as well. So what's the risk? No issues. Then we have N-Wealth Money Market Fund giving us 15.24%. And I'll put these things on the screen so you see for yourself as well. Then we have Mali Money Market Fund giving us 15.24 as well. And then we have Coop Money Market Fund giving us 15.36. We have Novu Money Market Fund giving us 15.51%. We have Jubilee Money Market Fund giving us 15.65%. Then at number 8, we have KCB Money Market Fund giving us 15.76%. And then after KCB, we have NABO Africa Money Market Fund, a really good one as well, giving us 15.95%. Then we have Gen Africa at number 6, giving us 16%. Now that's the first one. From number 6 all the way to 1 is 16% and above. Wait, that's so good, man. That's so good. Imagine getting 16% on your money. You're doing nothing. Just sit down, put your money, it works for you, like a soldier. I said that from 6 going up is all 16 and above, and the one opening the curtain on the 16% is Gen Africa Money Market Fund giving 16.31%. Then at number 5, we have Avocap Money Market Fund giving us 16.90%. And then we have Kuza Money Market Fund giving us 17.02%. Then we have Ethica Money Market Fund, one of my favorites. Don't tell them. Or if you tell them, they should pay me for promoting them. I don't have any affiliations, but yeah, I love them. I love them because they give me good money. That's it, man. That's it. I'm loyal to my returns. I'm only loyal to my money, nothing else. If they start giving me shitty returns, I just move on to another one. Ethica Money Market Fund gives us 17.3%. Lofty Coban Money Market Fund is giving us, Ethica is number 3, obviously. It was number 1, so it's starting to lega, you know. I need to be careful with them. I need to tell them, hey, pull up your socks because I'm investing with you. Good money. Lofty Coban Money Market Fund is giving us 18. So top 2 are 18%, guys. Lofty is at number 2 with 18%. So after Lofty, drum rolls to number 1 is Cytonn Money Market Fund, which most of you would be running away from because of their dramas. And that is giving us 18.1%. So, like I said, top 6 giving us above 16%, and top 15 giving us above 15%. That's a really good return. Like in 2024, quarter 4, we saw these returns when COVID was just receding, and we thought, okay, this is just a COVID kind of effect, and therefore the interest rates are high and stuff, and therefore we're going to get good money from debt securities. But this has persisted up to now, and I'm happy about it, man. I'm happy about it that you can get such a good return from a very simple, easy investment. Will it continue? That's the question, right? Now, the thing is, number 1, with money market funds, it doesn't matter, right? Your money is accessible to you. So if it doesn't continue, you can always have your money and invest in other opportunities that will give you good returns. So that's the first thing. So you should not be worried about if it will continue or not. That shouldn't be your focus at the moment. But the second thing is the economic environment seems steady now. It means these interest rates are not just a reaction to certain events. They are basically reflecting what is in the economy and what is in debt borrowing or in borrowing market. And so I believe this is going to continue for a while. It might drop at some point, but not as low. That's the thing. It won't go too low. So I'm happy where we are with the money market funds. I think if it goes too high, that's also a risk. You don't want an interest rate environment that is just like flying. That portends much bigger problems for the economy. So I'm comfortable where it is, and I believe it's going to continue for a while. Let's see what happens in Q1 of 2025, and that will now tell us what 2025 will look like. But if we compare like with stocks as well, which is always like a bit of like an inverse relationship, it seems that things are quite steady. It seems that the economies are quite steady unless something happens. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's see how far we go, but I believe this is going to stay for a while. At least for Q4, you are happy to make this money, and I believe for Q1 as well, you're happy to make this kind of returns. We can only worry for anything that is unforeseen, that could then change the environment so radically that could change the interest rates. But for now, be confident that we're going to have good interest rates. At least the least it could go to 16-17%, which is still quite good. If it goes high, the better for us. No issues at all, but not too high as well, right? Because you don't want to take those risks. Anyways, that's my take on money market funds, the top money market funds Q4 in Kenya right now that you should be investing in, and why I believe the 18% we are getting right now is going to be there for a while, and why you shouldn't be worried. Let me know what you think about the interest rates. Let me know what you think about these money market funds that I've just mentioned. Which one are you investing in, and why are you investing in that one? And are they giving you good returns? Until next time, I'm out.